Finding a cross-site scripting has never been this easy. Today we are going to talk about the tool called as Ibrahim XSS. I am a security researcher. I've been doing this bug bounty program for a very long time. Finding a cross-site scripting is never easy, but this tool will really help you to find cross-site scripting just like this. Company has two tools. One is Ibrahim XSS, another one is a xss0rRecon. Ibrahim XSS come up with some methodologies. They will provide you some cheat sheet and you have to follow all those cheat sheet and you have to find the subdomain, you have to crawl the active and passive links, and you have to gather all this link and make it as a one. Then you have to add that particular text into the Ibrahim XSS. Then the Ibrahim XSS tool will run on it and it will help you to find cross-site scripting. Then it will give you a pop-up of saying that hey, I found a XSS, and you can directly download the report from it. And the second one is xss0rRecon. This is so ultimate. They recently launched it, I think yesterday or today. This tool is so awesome. Do everything on its own, from crawling the URL to getting the final list of text file. Everything it's doing on its own. It will save 90% of your work, so all your works are automated now. Let me show you a demo of how xss0rRecon is working and Ibrahim XSS is finding the vulnerabilities. Let me show you how this thing actually works. This is actually a setup for your Ibrahim XSS tool, and when you come down you can see that xss0rRecon script description. This is the new one that really helps you to do everything on its own. So all you have to do is like you have to download this particular script from here. This is the file, you have to download it, and you have to do this chmod +x and xss0rRecon.sh. then you have to run the bash file and the file name. Go to that folder and copy and paste this on your terminal. Once you have successfully pasted, then run this bash xss0rRecon.sh to run the particular script. Now I'm in that folder. Now I have to run the bash xss0rRecon.sh. okay, now I have to enter my password. Now the xss0rRecon is ready. If you are doing it for the first time, then what you have to do is you have to enter number 1. Then it will install everything, all the required dependency file, everything on its own. Now I have already done it, so I'm going to enter number 2, and we have to enter the domain name. Okay, the vulnweb.com. Let's do this as an example. vulnweb.com. okay, now we have entered the domain name. We have to now enumerate and filter the domain. So all I have to do is just enter number 3. As you can see, this tool has done 99% of my work on its own. I have never seen a tool like this. This tool is really amazing. If you are a security researcher or a bug bounty hunter, you can try this tool. They are giving 5 days free trial. Make use of it. If you really like this tool, then you can move from free plan to pro plan. URL to this website as given in my video description. Just take a look. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys in another video, and please let me know your thoughts in the comment box. Thank you. Bye bye.